box of red worms. That's it. All you gotta do is go to a spot where it's not so crazy for another hour or so. I'm telling you. Thank you, bro. At work, tuned in with you. Appreciate you, bro. My bad. I ain't bring my tripod or nothing, so I'm just standing my phone up so I can't really see my phone. Let them cook. I'm telling you. Just give me a little minute. Just give me a little minute. Just got out here. Let me find them. And I'm gonna start bringing them in. These little ones keep taking it. See, that's a little baby. That's the one that keep getting in my way. Now that I got him, I'm finna throw him out the way so that I can get that big boy that's in there. He keep taking it from him. Up out the way. Let me get your mama. Let me get your mama up out the water. I done got the baby. Let me get the mama up out the water. I ain't gonna keep none today either. I'm just fishing for fun. Another little dink, man. It's like a whole school of them, bro. They getting bigger though. They getting bigger, but it's not the one that I want. Sometimes that's why I love using worms. You know, sometimes, look, still got more worm. Don't even got to go to the next one. It's a little better. And they getting bigger and bigger, huh? They getting bigger and bigger. They getting bigger and bigger. I don't play around. Y'all can't see it, but last time they split my thumb open trying to grab it. I don't play around no more. I'm careful now. Get my pliers. Oh, I thought I left my glasses at home. They right here in my book bag. Oh, it's on now. Now we finna get into it. See what else we could get on. Of course. Thank you. I had. Okay, thank you. That's like the second person that done stopped and said something to me because I'm out here with. Hey, I read that comment too. Appreciate you. The one that said Daddy of the Year. Appreciate you. I try my best, man. I try to do what I like to do while involving her too. And once she big enough she could do it herself, she gonna have her rod in her hand. I don't gotta use it no more. Soon come though. It goes. I'm about to move to a different spot. I'm about to move to a different side. Little dinks tearing me up right now. I can tell you about that water. Yes, sir. Bring him over here. Yo, got his mama. Got his mama. That's the one I was aiming for. But it's like two more over there. Finna try to get them too. Am I even in the camera? I can't even see if I'm in the camera. My bad, y'all. I ain't doing a good job. This is my first live. I ain't never been live on TikTok. This is my first live, man. Y'all work with me. I know I gotta go get me a tripod. I know that. Yeah. Y'all see her holding that thing? Y'all see her holding it? Really? 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 Really there, baby. Come on. Reel that thing. Reel that thing. Reel that thing. Yeah, y'all see my baby holding that fish? Y'all see her holding that fish? Yeah, she done caught her first fish out there. Y'all stop playing with her. Y'all stop playing with her. Y'all see her holding that fish? Hold that rod, baby. Hold that rod for him. Show him. Girl. Hold that thing. Hold that thing for him. Yeah, yeet. Tell him yeet. Yeah. Yeah, she done got her one. First one. Ready to grab the worm. Girl, you cannot grab no worm. Look at her. Girl, you cannot grab no worm, girl. He done took it. I waited too long. He done took it. That was on me. What, girl? Look, she wanna do it. Girl, not yet. In a year. The big one. That big ass one just came out. And damn, all them little ones keep touching it. And it's messing it up. Everybody like that, bro. Everybody love that I be out here with my baby, bro. And this ain't my first time being out here with her. In the same spot. It's like my third, fourth time being out here with her. Everybody love that shit. Oh yeah, y'all. Oh yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Now that's a good one, y'all. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. See, if I was keeping, if I was eating, this boy going to cooler. Back with another Gotti. I don't know why they ended my live. I don't know why they ended my live the first time. They ended my live for no reason. How they gonna end my live when we live? Can't end the live when we live. Oh my God, y'all ain't see that? How he got off? How he got off, bro? Man. There he go. He ain't finna get off this time. He ain't finna get off this time. He ain't finna get off this time. Hey, if y'all tuned in, man, I appreciate y'all, but the baby's sleeping, man. I'm finna go ahead and take it home, bro. I appreciate y'all, man. If y'all tuned in, man. We finna go ahead and take it in, man. Baby's sleeping. I gotta go ahead and take it in. I say, man, baby's sleeping. Last one of the day. I'm finna take it in, man. Appreciate y'all for real though. Alright, y'all, till next time. If you ain't already subscribed to my YouTube, that's where the real content at. Y'all be safe. Have a blessed day.